Very, very excitable.
The challenge for me, really. A bit of fun, hopefully.
And then we're going to have a briefing and we're going to have a team photo and we're going to cycle up to Paris. It starts. Join me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a charity I'm really passionate about, knowing a number of people that have unfortunately suffered the consequence of blood cancer, and so I just think what they're doing is absolutely groundbreaking. The trials that they're running really do help save lives, and that's what it's all about.